A little piece of styrofoam's in there too, just to hold everything down. That's falling over there. Oh, wait, let's see if we can go catch it. I see it. No, it's gonna be gone. It's in the woods. I don't need that. I can cut another piece. That was crazy. My canopy came off. I'm so glad nothing came out of that. Whoa. I blame that little scoop right there. Now you'd think that that's so, it'll keep the ESC cool. No, it's so that when you fly upside down, and then you pull up like that, the wind just scoops right through it, and it falls right off. Design flaws. I'm also lucky I didn't lose my tile. If I lost that, I'd be able to track my plane.